Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 3. My name is Gaia, and we are doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we practice Yin Yoga for 30 consecutive days. However, if you just stumbled upon this video and want to do this class, that is perfectly fine. But if you want to do the whole challenge, I will link everything down below. We'll begin in a side sphinx, so make your way onto your side. Extend the legs long. Make sure that your elbow is somewhere under the shoulder. And you can sink a bit into your shoulder so you don't have to keep yourself fully upright. You choose the version that works best for you. You can flex the feet to promote some more length and engagement. And we'll be here for a few minutes, just breathing nice and deep and enjoying ourselves. Begin to deepen your breath. You can roll onto your stomach. I have to kind of get up and turn to the other side so that I'm facing you. And we'll just do the same on the other side. Make sure that you're in a nice straight line. Rest on your forearm. You can collapse into the shoulder here if that suits you. Flex your feet. And again, we're enjoying ourselves here for a few minutes. Just feeling the nice sensations that are taking place in the body. Begin to deepen your breath and gently press yourself up into kneeling. We're going to move into a child's pose. You can do it with the knees together or knees apart. You choose the variation that works best for you. Make sure that your big toes are touching. And then walk your arms out in front of you and fold down. And begin to gently return awareness back into your body. And then walk your arms in to come back up. Take a moment here before moving into Savasana in whichever way suits you best. Let your feet flop to the side. Let your arms rest wide with the palms facing up. If you have a dog in your room like I do, you can give them a little pet before settling into Savasana for a few more minutes. Very softly, begin to return your awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Maybe do a few no motions with your head. You can also take a nice deep stretch if that serves you right now. And when you're ready, roll onto one side for a breath or so. And with the help of your hands, press yourself up into a seat. Take a seat in whichever way is most comfortable for you, and place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra. Close your eyes and tap into the day you've had. And as you allow your day to unfold in your memory, in your mind, see what you can be grateful for. See if there is anything that you can perhaps be proud of, or appreciate, or celebrate. Just let your mind offer up that one thing, and as it does, sink into the gratitude you can feel for it, the appreciation, and just allow it to flood your body for a few more moments. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.